Introducing the most flexible crypto card in the world. 5 traditional currency accounts, including USD, GPB, EUR, CNY, and JPY. Currency exchange rates better than high street banks. Manage all your crypto and traditional currencies with one simple platform. Add funds to your account via bank transfer, credit and debit card, or crypto proceeds. Spend or withdraw your funds anywhere credit and debit cards are accepted. Exclusive plastic, aluminum, stainless steel, gold-plated, and solid gold cards available. 24/7 global support in multi-languages. 24/7 professional concierge services. Up to 40% discounts on hotel and travel. Instant rewards from high street retailers. Fast delivery to over 100 countries. Order your GS Lifestyle card today.
The origins of life in the universe. First stages in human evolution. First simple technologies that started making our life easier. Welcome to Lydian World. We are glad to introduce our multi-ecosystem. Here, the rewards are generated thanks to the fees applied to each service or product behind an income resource such as staking pools, credit card swipe commissions, mining fields, assisted trading, non-fungible tokens marketplace, interactive airdrops, mainnet masternodes, trivia games, etc. Available on platforms and devices. More than 3 million users expected by the end of 2022 could reach a milestone of $5 billion in total resources. Lydian World, the place where you can explore, earn, and have fun.
All right, family, greetings, everyone. How's everyone doing? It's your brother Mahdi here, Supreme X, with another episode of Crypto Mornings, family. And what we're going to talk about today and what we're going to get into today, we always take a look at the cryptocurrency market and see what is going on. But with us, New Millennium Bankers, this is day 28 of our exodus because we got to exodus out of this banking system, right? But we're not going to keep you too long today, but we are going to go and look at the markets, and we are going to show you how to get paid from promoting our metaverse, how to get paid from MetaFi, our metaverse finance. We're going to show you that today. All right, so you want to make sure you stay and tune in for that, because when we talk about this income, hey, it's just math, but we're going to show it to you today. So let's go take a look at the cryptocurrency market before we get into all of that. All right, so the cryptocurrency market, the market cap of cryptocurrency is $1,218 billion right now. Bitcoin still dominates the market at 46.3%. But Bitcoin is down at $29,609 per coin. It is down 6% in the last 24 hours and is down 5.37% the last 7 days. Ethereum is trading for $1,764.41. It's down 7.64% in the last 24 hours and is down 88.88% in the last 7 days. Now, the reason we show you these coins because these are the coins that we get paid out in, and we get income in these coins. I know we talking about them down. They was up yesterday, right? But it doesn't affect us. Well, it doesn't affect me, right? And if you come and be a new Millennium Banker, it won't affect you either, all right? If you have them, because we don't just go and buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. Why? Because if you're not already rich, those coins are not going to get you rich by holding them. I don't care what the price of them go to. Why? Because you don't have enough money now to get a bunch of them, all right? So unless you are already a millionaire and you're going to go dump a couple million into Bitcoin or Ethereum, that's not the opportunity to get you rich. Now, it's the opportunity for you to be decentralized and your money to be sovereign. But if you want to get rich off of it, we provide you the means on where you can generate income in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you don't have to worry about the fluctuation of it because now crypto becomes your money. Crypto is my money. So it going up, down, it doesn't matter. I'm going to get paid these coins every day. I get paid them every day. All right. So that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we can't talk about crypto without talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the father. It is the grandfather of them all. So let's go and take a look at the G99 coin, and we're gonna go to our market cap and look at that. So the G99 coin is down 2.38% in the last 24 hours, but it's still showing a strong buy. Now, our coin is attached to a lot of utility, and come July the 1st, you finna see some real nice things happen with the price and the trading volume and the market cap of our coin. Just pay attention, all right? But it's trading on the open market in many markets. We're on BitX Live, we're on Hit BTC, we're on BitX Trade, which is our own in-house coin. We're on BitForex. We're on other platforms as well. So these are live trading platforms where you can trade the G999 coin. We have a deflationary model. We have our own blockchain, white paper. We have it all where you can go and look at and study what's really going on and see everything dealing with our blockchain, dealing with transactions, because that's what the blockchain is. Blockchain is proof of everything. Proof of transactions, proof of data, stored data, secure, highly secure. And our blockchain is a proof of stake. It's a proof of stake, not a proof of work. So the coin holders of our blockchain, we are the blockchain. That's how that works. So let's go and take a look at, this is the Blockchain Explorer. So you can see transactions going on, hash codes, all right? So this is transactions happening, the blocks. You're looking at the numbers of the blocks, all right? And it's showing what's going on, timestamp. Everything is timestamped. So nothing can be reversed, nothing can be changed when you look at this. This is it. So I can go through other formats here, movement. Now it's showing you coins being sent, how many coins from one wallet to another. So the time that this happening in, you can see all of this, the numbers over here on the side, right? We can go and look at the master nodes. The master nodes is pretty much what upholds the blockchain, and we still have almost 600 master nodes open. Master nodes will allow you to get paid from every transaction, but you need 750,000 G999 coins. And we are at 14 Satoshis to the G999. That's all right. That's a little more high and advanced language right there. Don't worry about that if you're not sophisticated in it. So here's some of the blockchain. Here's the master nodes, and you can get paid from the fees every day up to 7.5% annually. But you can have as many master nodes as you want. You will have to put that on your own server. You will have to have this own server on your computer because you will become a part of the blockchain. All right. I don't have master nodes. I have exclusive nodes that we will not talk about today. Then we got the network. Things going on, protocol. See, everything is here. Core wallets. See, everything is here. Everything is here on the blockchain. Then we got the top 100 wallets. So we can look at the top 100 wallets. So here's the number one wallet right here. Don't know who that is. I think that's our chairman of the board. What he had is in this wallet is over 4 billion coins. Then here's the second one. This one here is 100. Look like, look like over 1 billion here too. Right, but this is over 4 billion. So right up close to 1 billion here. So they show you everything. These are all the holders. These are all the holders of these coins. Look at all these wallets. But this is the top 100 with the biggest wallets of the G999. See, this is the blockchain. So you can't hide. You can't manipulate nothing on the blockchain. You can't reverse it. It is what it is. Then we got API, the codes with connections to the blockchain. Right? With connections to the blockchain, extended API, linking, all of that. Then we have the mainnet website where you can go and look at everything and download our white paper right there. Look at how many coins in circulating. So our total supply is 16.5 billion. Our circulating supply is 12.5 billion. All right. Teach you about staking, and you don't have to do masternode. You can do staking. Staking, you need 250,000 coins, and you can get a return of 2.5%. That's safe interest on your money right there. There ain't no chance, ain't no risk. That's not trading. All right, that is not trading. So this is our ecosystem. Just to show you a little schematics about the blockchain. So let's get to it. Let's get to this income though. All right. So let's get to GS Partners. Now, GS Partners is the marketing arm to this ecosystem. We had the only ecosystem in the world that you can build a global business off of the technology, from the technology rather. All right. So let's get into our Lydian World Metaverse certificates because we're talking about Metaverse Finance, MetaFi. Now, Meta Broker, earn twice. You see that? For the Metaverse Broker certificate, you must load it with a minimum of 1/3 of its total available load to keep its status active in order for the certificate to pay out during the 18 months from its activation. A 300% base on certificate value. Start now and get a weekly payout of 4.15% by only keeping your brokerage portfolio active. So the 300%, I guess we said that on the call one night. I don't know if they on here, the wealth builders are on here, but I know somebody asked that in the chat. It might have been Gregory McKay. So I thought it meant the average, but it's saying now that, so we're going to get paid the 300% weekly at 4.15% weekly. And this is money on top of our money, off the value of whatever certificate we get. We just got to get it to a 1/3 of its max load. So let's take, for instance, here. So this Far Money Network, we can't think too small, so we ain't going to talk about the $49. All right. Let's take Jupiter, for example. Jupiter is $5,000. That's the certificate. Now, what you get with Jupiter is $5,000 worth of citizenships in Lydian World. Lydian World is really where MetaFi is at. Everybody else talking MetaFi, but they don't really have it like we have it. Not saying they don't have Metaverse Finance, but they do not have it like we have it. That's just a fact. All right. Now we're talking about getting paid from the fees of the game. We're talking about having decentralized NFTs, positions, being presidents, mayors, and all this stuff here. We're talking about from card swipes getting paid. We're talking about assistant trading, staking of the coin, staking of our coins, trivia games. Everything is paying us in Lydian World from fees. All transactions in Lydian World pay out the players, are the people in it. All right. So Jupiter gives you $5,000 worth of citizenships, which will be a lot if you do it right. All right. But however, you're going to have that, and those citizenships are NFTs, are decentralized NFTs, okay? $5,000 for that. Now you can do mining of the Lydian Stater. The Lydian Stater coin is trading on the market right now for about $500. It's the official currency to Lydian world, all right? Which is going to be a very valuable coin, because when you want to do something in Lydian world, you need the Lydian Stater. Okay? So you can do mining of the Lydian Stater up to $200,000 mining, and the interest on your money, if you do the mining of the Lydian Stater, is 78% per year. 78% interest per year, and that certificate rewards and pays out every 30 days for 60 months. So for 60 months, you will get a portion of that, 78%. Over the total of this period, for 5 years, you're looking at a 390% return, APY, of more Stater coins. Your principal stays intact. I think that's what we lose people at. I think you think once you put funds in to load up the certificate, you think that money disappears. No, that money, that's the money that's generating the interest. That is still your money. But the money you put in the mining side will be locked up in the certificate for, in Jupiter case, will be 5 years. 5 years, but it's going to pay you that 78% interest per year. All right? How does that sound? All right? I want my principal paying me. Okay? Boom. Then we got the metal broker side. Now, the metal broker work different from the mining. The metal broker side is you allowing our brokerage firm, you allowing our brokerage firm, which is BD Swish, a top 3 brokers account in the world, to manage your funds and trade your funds in the market on a host of things. ETFs, commodities, crypto, Forex market, and a whole bunch of other stuff, right? And you will receive daily profits from the trades. Okay? Now, that principal, you can move that principal and stop that account at any time, because it's a broker's account. You can pull that money. Anybody know anything about having a broker's account? The broker worked for you, but you just allow them to invest it and put the money and make the trade on where they see fit, and they just give you the returns. They give you interest or percentages of the trades, or what are they making, or what they making daily. But you can pull that at any time. Okay? You can pull that at any time. So that principle, you can touch it at any time. So in this case, if you get Jupiter and a third of Jupiter load mining in the metal brokerage account is 200,000. Okay, but you get Jupiter to a third of 200,000, and you leave it there for 18 months, and weekly you have 4.15% coming in you, and over the 18 months you got a 300% return from the value of the certificate. That's 5,000. That's 5,000. I think that was comprehensive enough, right? Any questions about that real quick before we go to the income potential from promoting this? Huh? Because I think when we talk about these certificates, everybody, your principal is at work. Whether you're doing metal mining or metal brokerage, that principal is generating you interest. You're getting interest daily on the metal broker side, and you're getting interest monthly, either 45 days, every 30 days, or every 15 days on the mining side. But the mining is a mathematical code that's locked in. That's a mathematical code that's locked in. So anybody got any questions so far about what you saw about these certificates? Because we want to help clear this up about this because, and another thing too, I almost forgot to mention another promotion along with that 300% in 18 months. Whatever certificate you get, how much money you put in there. Say you got Jupiter, right? And you put in 1,000 on the broker side. The company gonna match you 1,000. So you will have 2,000 in there. They matching dollar for dollar right now as we speak. So you got to get your certificates before July the 1st. After July the 1st, that promotion gonna be gone. That 300% promotion gonna be gone too as well, if I'm not mistaken. All right. I could be incorrect about those. I might don't be 100%, but July the 1st is a major date because that's when the trading and the metal brokers accounts they go live. So you want to have as much in your metal brokers account as possible, and you want to do it before July the 1st because you're gonna get a dollar for dollar match. Say you to put in 2,000, where you will have 4,000 in your brokers account. Makes sense, right? I mean, it's that simple. It ain't even more complicated than that. Okay, now let's go take a look at the calculator. So let me just show you from being a GS partner, here's the income potential from referring people to MetaFi. So I'm showing people how to get involved in MetaFi. So now, in GS partners, we have a 9-level pay plan. All right. This is from referrals. Now, everything has a referral plan to it. It's just, are you getting paid from your referrals? Because you're referring somebody to something, right? You're referring somebody to something. You have a lot of people referring people to NFTs, crypto, metaverses, but they're not getting paid for their referrals. We get paid for our referrals to our metaverse. That's just how it is. And you can build a global business, a global distribution business that's on the blockchain that pays out instantly and have monthly bonuses. I made a monthly bonus from last month of May of $3,000. That was a bonus. All right, that was a bonus, $3,000. All right. So not talking about everything I made throughout the entire month. We talking about a bonus that came at the end of the month, the last day of the month for us in the United States. Bonus. Now we have that type of opportunity. This is gold standard banking. This is what we do. All right. So in our pay plan, we have a 9-level pay plan. And it starts at 15% from your level ones. That meaning the people you go and put in. You go and show this opportunity, they say they want in. Nobody's forced to do anything. They can come in and get started with whatever price they want to get started at, because our metaverse certificates start at $49 and goes all the way up to $100,000. So it's a certificate for everybody. Okay? It's a certificate for everybody. Right? So let's look at it. So we was doing Jupiter. Jupiter cost $5,000. So what if you had Jupiter you got Jupiter at $5,000 and you found 3 people that said they wanted Jupiter at $5,000 as well, right? Just 3 people now. We ain't saying 20. We ain't saying 30, even though that's easy to do. It's easy to find people. We saying we just saying 3. Just saying 3 now. All right. I want y'all to pay attention to this. Is a calculator. This is a mathematical calculator. All right. It just breaks down numbers. You can argue about whatever, but you can't argue with numbers. This is just numbers. All right. This is a calculator. It's not a guarantee for the disclaimer that you're guaranteed to earn this. Why? Because you might don't go and get 3. Or you might find 3 that don't got 5,000. I don't know. All right. But if you did, this is what your income would look like through the 9 levels. Just with 3 people that got 5,000, and those 3 people will go and find 3 people with 5,000, and your team continues to grow by 3, and everybody has 5,000 to put into the metaverse and get the first thing, the payment that they will be getting, $5,000 worth of NFTs. They have $5,000 worth of NFTs that pay immediately. They start paying immediately. All right? That's where their money went. And then they can do the meta brokers and the meta mining. Okay? But they will have the $5,000 worth of NFTs from day one. The minute they purchase or select the certificate. Okay? That's a swap. I'm swapping $5,000 for NFTs that pay me just to hold the NFTs. All right? So let's just look at it now. So we're doing a 3x3. You find 3 that got 5,000 who will find 3, and your team was to do that, duplicate by 3 through 9 levels. Look at what you would get paid. Wow. That's $7.8 million. That's 7.8. This is just you getting 3. I can do it with 1 now. I can do it with 2. If you found 2. Okay, if you found 2, who will find 2, and everybody had 5,000, you're still looking at $250,000. Over $250,000. And this is instant pay. And you will only have 1,000 people on your team. 1,022 people. And you will be sitting on $250,000 in income. Now, this is what we have in Gold Standard Bank. This is the Gold Standard Partner Way. All right? All right, that's too much. What if I did 1? What if your team only duplicated by 1? What would you make? You still make $2,500. That's half of the 5,000 you got started with. Because everybody came with 1. That's just with 9 people on your team. That's just with 9 people on your team. So you want to put more numbers in there. Okay, if that's too much, okay, we got a package that costs $149. We got a package that costs $149. So if you did that by 3, okay, there go you $234,000, almost $250,000. All right, that's just $149. That ain't the 5,000 now. I changed the number. This is just you getting 3. Then we got the $399. Okay, that's over $500,000, over $600,000. You'll make through 9 levels. All right, but we in For Money, we love to run the power of 5. So we're gonna run the power of 5. So what if you got 5 that came in and had $1,000? Just 5 with 1,000. 5 with 1,000. Family, they got pairs of Jordans that cost $1,000 right now on StockX. You don't believe me? Go and look for yourself. More than this. They got pairs of shoes, red bottoms, Gucci's, Louis, that cost more than $1,000 right now. Matter of fact, Rapper the Game, he got a pair of tennis shoes in his house, locked up in a glass case that he paid $50,000 for. A pair of tennis shoes. You don't believe me? Go to YouTube and look at it. Because somebody broke in his house and stole them while he was in Europe somewhere. Yeah, his house in California. It's on YouTube. He talk about it. All right? You feel me? Now, listen what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying, family. Y'all understand that? Now, this is 1,000 that people are getting to grow their money. They're starting a business. They getting NFTs. They getting interest on their money. They had an opportunity to do meta brokerage. They can mine crypto. They in the metaverse finance getting paid. You ain't doing metaverse finance. You ain't getting paid from the metaverse. All right? I don't know. Folks saying that they know about it, they in it. But when I ask them how they getting paid, they say no. So I don't know how that metaverse finance you're not getting paid. All right, we getting paid. Our metaverse pays us now daily, hourly, right? We're getting paid right now. So listen now, 1,000, you get 5. You come with $1,000. $1,000, you get 5. That get 5. Okay? And your team duplicate by 5 through 9 levels. What would you make? Oh my goodness. That's too much. We got to take that out. That's too much. Okay, we're going to go with the $3.99. That's just too much. We don't want to scare y'all away. All right, we'll say $3.99. 5, $3.99. So you get 5 people to come with 500. And everybody on your team go and get 5 people that got $500 to get started in the metaverse finance. Oh my goodness, that's still too much. That's too much. Hold up. So we ain't even got to go through the whole 9 levels. Look what you will make through 5 levels. Well, look what you will make through 4 levels with not even 800 people on your team. You'll be over 10 grand. And then you got a big bonus coming because look at the volume, the total revenue of your business. This is off your phone, laptop, tablet, computer, right? Desktop. This is being made from the comfort of your home. Instant pay. Now that's another thing. Nobody can offer you instant pay. We offering instant pay. Instant pay. As soon as these transactions go through in your business, you are getting paid. The money is right there, is in crypto. And then if you want to liquidate it, we got the GS Lifestyle Card. We also get paid from GS Lifestyle Card swipes and card activations. So people acquire the card, we get paid. They swipe the card, we get paid. So if everybody on your team was to swipe the card one time per day, because they getting money, right? So they're going to be using their card. So they swipe their card one time per day. You can make $41,000 a day. You can make $41,000 a day from card swipes. From card swipes. Family, get with the person that shared this video with you. Tap into our metaverse finance. It's just smart finance. We banking on the blockchain, decentralized, NFTs, crypto mining, trading, commodities. You can exchange the G999 for gold. We got it all, family, in our one ecosystem. Yes, you can exchange G999 coins for gold. Yes, you can. Right, on our trading platform, GS Trade, that been there for a minute now. All right, that been there for a minute. So this is what we're offering you. This is Metaverse Finance, Lydian World at its highest. All right, so get with the person that shared this with you. Now, if you're a guest on the line, if I brought you here, if you're here because I inbox you this video, you're not in GS Partners already, then you want to text MetaFi to that number running at the bottom of your screen, because that's what we're doing. And our MetaFi pays instantly. So with that being said, family, we're going to leave you one more time with our Lydian World video. We out though. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Far Money.
The origins of life in the universe. First stages in human evolution. First simple technologies that started making our life easier. to Lydian World. We are glad to introduce our multi-ecosystem. Here, the rewards generated thanks to the fees applied to each service or product behind an income resource such as staking pools, credit card swipe commissions, mining fields, assisted trading, non-fungible tokens marketplace, interactive airdrops, mainnet masternodes, trivia games, etc. Available on platforms and devices. More than 3 million users expected by the end of 2022 could reach a milestone of $5 billion in total resources. Lydian World, the place where you can explore, earn, and have fun.